Hey guys, so apparently somebody decided to be a coward and slashed my tires. Anyways, some amazing human being at my job helped me put on a spare.
The next day.
I woke up this morning craving love and attention because I'm an attention whore, and Lola is always right there to smother me with her cuteness. Shout out to my best friend for making me breakfast even though he was sick. So good.
It's me, Jessica.
First stop on my agenda is All-American Auto Body to get an estimate on my repairs, which came up to about $2,100. OMG. After riding all morning on a donut, we make our way to Les Schwab to get a set of new tires. The shop was so cute, clean, and festive. The tires cost me almost $600 thanks to the coward Peter that slashed them. Had to model out my anger, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little show. But the customer service was top tier. I kid you not, the service took less than 30 minutes. And the coffee was delicious.
Yay! Babies are new. Awesome! So cute.
Now I magically appeared at Home Depot because my little princess clogged up the toilet that proceeded to take a number to afterwards. I tried using a regular plunger boot, clearly. That didn't work. So yes, you and I, are at Home Depot looking lost, searching for a super plunger. Found her, finally. Got the goods. Now let's make our way back home. Another 1-hour drive, so let's jam.
Let's go and clog the toilet.
Yes, I am Jailka Plumber Man.
Say hello to my little friend!
Thanks for coming on this joyride with me.